Hey guys, welcome back to Sanaya in the kitchen. For today's video, I don't know if you guys heard of this, but it's called macaroni and cheese in the microwave. So basically, I'm gonna be using some of these noodles. Let me see if I have any more. Oh, jeez. I caught it dust. I'm good, Alright, so if you're like me and you're lazy and you don't feel like actually reading, I never tried this before. They say you can make macaroni. I mean, you can make what's it called? Alright, so I'm gonna try it in this bowl. They said to pour in some noodles, I guess add in some water, I don't want to add too much, but for the sake of this video, they said do that for 2 minutes. Never tried this before, never ever. Never tried this before. If you hear noise in the background, that's the thundering. It's about to storm, I guess. So, never tried this before, never tried this before. I just thought I should do a video on it because to see if it actually works. If it's a lie, if it's fake, if it's real, if it's accurate. And another thing you're going to need is some cheese. Alright, so I have some cheese right here. And what I'm going to do is just wait for it to, I guess, be done. It's not done. After that, you're not done fully. You have to add in cheese. If you're making macaroni and cheese, that's what I'm trying to go for. These are not the actual noodles that they said in the video, but I don't want to open anything that's not open. So I'm just gonna get my cheese ready. They said you can use any cheese, I guess. You can use shredded cheese, you can use regular cheese. It technically doesn't matter. It depends on I don't know. All I know is you can use whatever cheese that you have. If you don't have shredded cheese, you can use slices of cheese. I mean, how many cheeses do they got? Not very much. They have the slices of cheese. They have regular cheese. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it was overfilling kind of, and it was kind of scary. But it's done basically. So. Now we have our pasta out. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. It looks like this. It's semi-cooked. And now you just add in, I guess, some, what's it called? Ooh, dang, this is hot. Okay, hold on. So I guess you just add in some cheese. Taking out a little bit of water. Now you can just add in, like, I guess, some cheese. Do you take out the water? I don't really know. I'm guessing take out a little bit. Oh, I dropped a noodle. Okay. So now I guess I'm just going to rip up the cheese. and put it in the bowl. You can add it like as many things as you want, but this is macaroni and cheese, so I want it to be as cheesy as possible. Sorry if this video is going to be long. I just wanted to see if this works or test this out, you know. See if it's accurate. You know. It's always good to test things out. And especially, I don't sometimes feel like cooking an actual bowl of macaroni and cheese. I do have macaroni and cheese, but sometimes you're just lazy. You don't feel like standing. The water takes too long to boil, or you're in a rush and you don't have all day, or you know, you can just pop this in the microwave and yeah, I don't know. That's even if it works. I added a lot of cheese. I'll show you guys in a minute. So I added all of this cheese. I'm not going to leave it like that. Although I could. They didn't say that you didn't have to do that, but I'm not going to do that because oh jeez. I think I should take out the water. Might add, like, save a little bit of water, but maybe I should add more cheese, because all my cheese, as you guys just saw, well, you didn't see it, but it's gone. No more cheese. Okay, so I'm just going to do this same thing again, just rip the cheese into how many ever pieces I can do. So it hasn't started raining yet, but it's going to rain, it seems like. Oh, this thundery. This weather is crazy sometimes. Alright, so I put some more cheese. I'll show you guys when I flip the camera. Put some more cheese in there because it, like, since the water was still hot, it like degraded all my cheese and there's no more cheese in there. So I'm so sorry. This video is gonna be like super duper long, probably like 12 minutes, but I'm just gonna mix this up one more time. Be very careful. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave it like this, put this in there for two minutes. That's what they said. And give it a nice little stir. And now 2 more minutes. So like, oh, it's gonna sound like that because of the cheese. But so basically this is what it looks like in the microwave. The cheese is gonna be, I'm actually gonna, I don't know, I keep wasting this cheese, but I'm gonna use one more slice of cheese real quick, but I'm not gonna break it up. I want to make sure that this is actually macaroni and cheese. Oh, and the macaroni and cheese, I just forgot. The macaroni and cheese isn't like regular noodles. It's actually colored noodles, so it's better that way. It's like rainbow noodles. So I just put the whole cheese. I didn't break any of it up. This is what it looks like so far. It's probably going to be really, really good because look at this cheese. It's like super duper. It's like melting within your eyes, which is kind of satisfying to see this. I don't know if people like actually show you this on what they're making when they're making it. And another thing is, the video is not really supposed to be really long. It's supposed to be like a couple minutes, but you know, exactly. And whole point of making this video is to show you guys and see if it actually works, because I thought it was just like a whole other lie, whole lie, and that you know, people are lying about it, and you know, probably making a, you know, the food, and you know, stuff like that. But I will let you guys know from my own perspective, and me showing you, not going off a camera or anything like that, to see if this is actually a lie, or if this is a joke, or, yeah. It's almost done. 3, 2, 1, beep, 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 beep. Alrighty. Ooh, man, this looks good. Chocolate chip muffins. Ooh. Ooh. Man, this really looks really good. But it's really, really hot. So, this is what my macaroni and cheese looks like. Can't wait to eat this, bro. This looks super duper good. It's actually really cheesy too. I didn't taste it because it's really hot, but if you guys want a video of me tasting, well, actually, yeah, I'm probably gonna taste this later, but good news is it seems like I don't know how it tastes. So it does look really, really good. Well, I'm not gonna even lie. It looks delicious. It looks really, really good. It's probably something, maybe not slightly lie. I wouldn't lie to you guys I wouldn't lie to you guys about this. So, enough chatting this up. I will taste this in another video. Stay tuned. I would have to make it today though, because I made it today, but you know.